Hello, today is Friday the 13th of September, Friday the 13th, very suitable date. Now, what you're looking at is Shirehampton Art Centre. Like any art centre, it's quadrangle in shape, but of course it's commissioned a new artistic work by David Svinoff. Now, David Svinoff is a Scandinavian director of Demolition, and he's had the novel idea of putting demolition and art together. Arts director Peter Beanberger. Well, I think it's a great step forward in demolition art. I've never seen nothing like it in my life. It's beautiful stuff. Why the barbed wire fence, Mr. Beanberger? Well, you got to remember, like, artistic value and stuff like that is very important in the decimated bollocks of life. I've seen a good bull unchained, red and black and gone. Art is not a practical thing, or it's a practical thing as well as a theoretical thing, but we have trouble with the bull at the moment. We have to do something about it. We've got a great big boulder dash of a bull on there, on the end. I love it. I just love this game so much.